Simix, real sustainability, real savings. We can save you 25% or more on your annual air conditioning costs. How? Just apply Simix Coating to your air conditioning units. Simix Coating helps air conditioners run more efficiently, saving energy and saving you money. Here's a real case study for a building in southern Wisconsin. Before they cleaned and coated it with Simix, they were paying $20,000 per summer for air conditioning. After Simix, their costs dropped to less than $15,000 per summer. Was one of those summers hotter? No. The average temperature for the summer period for both years was very similar. The average temperature for both summers? Exactly 66.2 degrees. After Simix, the savings over that summer was more than $5,000. Since they are using 20 fewer tons of coal each year, the customer is now saving a bundle and saving the planet. Simix, real sustainability, real savings. Go to simixusa.com to learn more about how we can save you time and money.